Design smarter, faster, and with more precision using Cora's BIM Content Library, the ideal resource to design and specify bike racks and micro-mobility storage solutions in your projects. Created by Australia's leading BIM content specialists, IGS BIM Solutions, and available in Revit, Archicad and AutoCAD formats, the Cora BIM Library streamlines project design and delivery workflows and is accessible free via bimcontent.com. Included in the library is an extensive range of customisable bike parking and storage solutions, such as bicycle racks, bicycle rails, lockers, maintenance solutions, and scooter racks. Everything you need to design, document, and visualize bike parking solutions built for durability, accessibility, and performance. Central to the Cora Revit library is a virtual showroom, a Revit project file with all families preloaded and methodically placed, making it easy to download, browse, QA, and insert content into your projects. A notable feature of the Cora BIM library is the inclusion of easy-to-use customization options to efficiently configure bike racks and storage solutions to specific project requirements. Further design guidance is provided via required space graphics in both 3D and 2D that display spatial requirements for circulation space and clearance zones in accordance with manufacturer specifications and Australian standards. The Cora BIM library is available for download via the Cora website and bimcontent.com, where designers can access models for individual products or curated collections in various formats and software versions. To access the Cora Revit library in real time and without ever leaving your project models, the library can also be accessed using the free bimcontent.com Revit plugin. To start exploring the library, visit bimcontent.com or the Cora website today. If you have any questions about the Cora BIM library or product range, reach out to our friendly team and we'll be glad to provide the support you need.